Hi, M6082. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, Sir Madam. My name is Marinol Bonifacio. I'm 39 years old. I'm a single. I have five children. Um, Age is 20, uh, 17, 15, and 8, and 5.
Okay, your religion,
Catholic.
educational attainment.
High school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
My experience last 2014 to 2016 in Saudi Arabia. Um, I worked there as a domestic helper, and they have three family, two children, and one old elder. Only my work is cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and taking care of the elder.
Okay. And your second employer?
And I work in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. I work there to taking care also the elder,
How old?
59 years old.
Okay, so she is the only one. Or
Yes.
he is the only one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, why suddenly break the contract?
Because I have an emergency here in the Philippines.
So you need to go back here in the
Yes,
Philippines to
yes,
settle
sir.
your problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, since you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Because you have a children, right?
Yes.
And you are the one who took care of him since birth?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I check the diaper, and then I check the temperature, and also the tummy. If hungry,
Okay. Sorry. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry, after you did everything that you can, what will you do?
first I call to the parents and tell them the baby is crying.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
First, I want to work in Hong Kong because of my children. Also, the salary that is the big.
Okay.
Yes.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer want me to work in their family.
So it is okay to you to extended your contract?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No. But I willing to learn.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
I watch the YouTube and also the cooking book.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share job with other helpers?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
How about work on Sunday or in holiday setup?
I also.
It is okay to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to taking care of pets?
Yes.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
If one of the family of your employers doesn't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, I hope you hire me to work on your family, and I do my duties and responsibilities, and also I taking care your family as on my family. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Mary. Thank you.